Hello and welcome. Finally, the scorching summer heat is getting over. Monsoon का time आ रहा है. Monsoon brings a lot of refreshing change, but at the same time, it also brings a lot of foodborne diseases. So whether it is diarrhea, loose motions, food poisoning, or many stomach infections, it is common in the monsoon season. So how do you keep yourself safe this monsoon season from the contamination of fruits and vegetables coming into your house? Let's have some safety tips. Let's begin. High humidity during the rainy season can create an ideal environment for bacteria and pathogens to grow and multiply very rapidly. Also, a lot of water sources get contaminated with sewage waste and industrial waste. In particularly the monsoon season, you need to be sure with the kind of water you use. There can be a lot of flooding and waterlogging which can lead to contamination of crops that are growing by the roadside or in the farms, which can increase harmful microorganisms and chemicals in your food. Also, there is a lot of pest activity like your flies and your rodents can sit on your food and contaminate it. Unclean hands, particularly in the monsoons while handling the fruits and vegetables by the local vendors, can create some issues as far as hygiene is concerned. Also, if the food is not cooked well in this rainy season, it can lead to a lot of foodborne diseases which you want to avoid. So let's go through some tips that will help us avoid all of these issues this monsoon. Give all your fruits and vegetables a nice scrub. As soon as you buy them, take a tub or a bucket and put them inside with water, baking soda and a pinch of salt. Rock salt. Soak this for about 20 minutes to make sure that you stay away from those nasty germs during the monsoons. Cook your vegetables very well. It is nice to have at least steamed veggies in case you choose to have some salads. Lightly steaming them or cooking them, boiling them is good in the rainy season to avoid and keep those germs away from you. Do you love eating leafy greens? Well, throughout the year it's beautiful, but during the monsoon season it is very high maintenance. Now they are the most contaminated. Clean them thoroughly and cook them well. Check the freshness of the vegetables. No rotten vegetables allowed this season. No mold, nothing old or soggy or soft. You want fresh, crunchy vegetables because that's going to give you health. Anything soft and mushy, especially in vegetables and fruits, can lead to foodborne diseases. This monsoon season, you want to store smartly. Make sure that all your fruits and vegetables are stored into airtight containers with tissue papers over them and under them. This will make sure the humidity or the moisture does not contaminate them and they remain fresh every time you want to use them. Fridge during the monsoons can be your friend. Shop wisely, buy from trusted vendors or buy from trusted places which give the fresh food. Your regular vendors may be your friends, but right now hygiene first, so make sure everything you buy is clean. Use clean water to wash the vegetables thoroughly because in the monsoon season there is a high tendency that your taps may get a little brownish water and you do not want to wash your fruits and vegetables with such water. Make sure it is clean and have a good scrub. Keep those pathogens at bay. Follow these tips and you may be safe from the foodborne diseases this monsoon season. Stay healthy, happy, keep laughing and enjoy the rains. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It's just a click of a button for you. But for me, it is very important to take this channel forward. Looking forward to seeing you in another video. Namaste.